it's your girl Shellie D here, back with another video. Today we will be doing a video all about what's in my purse. So if you are a nosy person like I am, then keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, for this video, I'm just going to tell you that I'm standing up. And I don't know, whenever I stand, I have to like keep moving around. So I don't know how that's gonna go. Hopefully I don't move around too much and annoy you. So let's get started. So this is the purse that I'm using right now. And I'm in front of the window and it's golden hour. So I don't know how long this light is gonna last. So we'll worry about that when we'll worry about that when we get there. Yeah. Okay. Whenever I first got married, I was obsessed with having everything with like my new initials. So it's SLG. So whenever I found this company on Etsy that made these purses, I was like, that's so cute. And I think it was only like 35 bucks. Like, I don't think it was even that expensive. If I find the shop, I'll link it down below in case you are interested in that. Super high quality, super good. Well, I have like 3 purses that I like rotate in between, so I don't really use them that long at a time, but I have used this one a lot in the past 2 years. So first things first, when you open it, let's see, there is some Kleenexes. Whenever I'm sick, I fill up my purse. Like, I will put, if we're going somewhere and I've been even remotely sick, like even if it's just allergy, I will literally bring my entire medicine cabinet. Is anyone else like that? Because I will literally bring this. I had a whole box of tissues in my purse at one point. I think after I wasn't sick anymore and just switched it out for the little ones. I also have this journal that I carry around with me. Just like a bunch of lists and bills and like how much they are and like money stuff, keeping track of all that kind of stuff. And I also put a little pin with it, because if you don't have a pin in your purse, how do you live your life? Like, whenever I'm out, I always need a pin at some point. And yeah, it's just really handy to have like a little notebook. I got this for Christmas, actually. I got this one and then a blue one with gold elephants on it that I think my mom got me them for Christmas. But I always love to have a little notebook, and I'm a doodler. Whenever I'm bored, I whip out paper and pen and I have to doodle. I have to constantly be doing something. I don't know, I'm just weird. Oh, item number 3, these Salon Paws. It's a pain relief patch, and I use these like a crackhead uses crack. No, they help me so much because I have a lot of problems like in my body, and I'm starting to go to the chiropractor, so don't worry about it. But I do have a lot of neck pain constantly. So they're little patches. They just peel off the paper and then you put them on, and they've got like a bunch of natural oils on them. They give you like a cooling sensation, and it just really like helps to relax my neck muscles, I guess. And then I have some good old chapstick. Of course, like 100%. If you do not have one of these in your purse, what are you doing? I am a very, like, get up, get out of bed, and leave the house. I might seem like the person that would, like, get up and, like, get ready and then go and, like, make sure I've got everything. No, I'm not like that. I'm, like, a get up and go person. And so a lot of the times, sadly, I will forget to put on perfume or deodorant. Who, me? No. But whenever I do, I love, this is the Ari by Ariana Grande, just because I love sweet perfumes. I know some people are like, I want fruity, or I want to smell like a bedsheet. I don't know. Like sweet perfumes and sweet perfumes only, and this one just smells so sweet, and it's just like a little roller thing. And I will literally just like take it out and just roll it like right here, my wrist, whatever. It smells so good. And I love it whenever like throughout the day I can still smell my perfume. You know, like girls, you like spray your entire body with that body mist stuff from Bath and Body, and then you're like, oh yeah, I smell delicious, I smell like a cookie. And then like 10 minutes later you're like, I don't smell it anymore. I just really like this one, especially because I can still smell it. Like I can still smell it. If like, I just feel like I have an aroma of flowers. And one of my favorite things is when people tell me that I smell good. Yes. Yes. Next item is this little planner. I think this was a stocking stuffer that my mom put in me and my sister-in-law's stockings. And you can see my dogs hate me so much. They chew on everything, but there's where they've chewed on that. It's a 28-month planner. And it's got like all this stuff. Can you stop scratching yourself? It's loud. And next I have not one but 2 body creams from Bath and Body. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I need 2 full-size body creams in my purse, but apparently I do. And they're not even in season. Wow, that explains my life perfectly. It's literally June and I'm carrying around marshmallow pumpkin latte and frosted coconut snowball. Maybe I'll downsize and just carry one of them. I don't know why I need both of them. Next, I have a book. This is the 3rd book in the Game of Thrones series. I carry around a book with me because whenever my husband has like just a day job where he's just gonna be gone like that day, I usually go with him if it's just like a couple hours away. It's always nice to have a book with me so that I can sit in the car and read while he goes in and does his thing. Next, I have this little bottle of Aleve, which if you are female, you understand why. This is for cramps and headaches. And next up I have, again, not 1 but 2 dry shampoos. Why do I need 2 dry shampoos? I don't know why. I feel like I don't even use them whenever they're in my purse. If I am gonna use dry shampoo that day, I do it before I leave the house, so I don't even know why I have, let alone 2 bottles. I don't know why. But this one is really good. It's just like a mini whatever. This is probably my favorite dry shampoo, the Batiste. Pretty sure my friend got me, there's like a pack of 3 mini from this company, of like the 3 mini ones like this. So I'm pretty sure I just grabbed one of those and threw it in there. My friend got me the little pack for Christmas. Well, she got me like a box with a bunch of stuff. It wasn't just like, here's some dry shampoo because you're a disgusting person. There were a lot of other things in the box. Next up, we have a bag. And I don't know if you guys watched it, but I sure did because I'm in love with Tyra Banks. But Patrick started a video with Tyra Banks where they went through their purses, and she was like, I got little bags everywhere in here. You got like a bag for this, you got a bag for that, you got a bag for whatever. And I was like, girl, same. I do the exact same thing. I put little bags of stuff in my purse. Like whenever you're throwing like a bunch of little things in your purse, where do I go? Where is anything? So this one, the Good Vibes bag, because this is my period bag. I keep all my pads and tampons, which I'm not gonna open it because, girl, you know what a pad and a tampon looks like. I stuff this thing full because if we are out in public and you're like, girl, I need that good, and I'm like, I got you. I got the good. I got a ton of the good. And it's Good Vibes because it's a reminder whenever I'm on my period to not bite everyone's head off. I get so mean. Yes. So if you like to have like a bigger purse, which I like to have a bigger purse, and sometimes I even put a smaller purse in my big purse just in case I'm like running in somewhere. I'm horrible. I just like to be prepared and I like to have everything with me. So I'm sorry there's like sunlight lines from the window. Okay, so this is my bag with silver change because of tolls. I don't know about where you live, but where I live, we have tolls like every 5 minutes on the highway, and the car that we have right now is supposed to be a temporary car. So I ain't about to go and get a Pike Pass for a temporary car. We don't got one of those. So I don't know why I'm talking like that. Oh my god. Why am I so weird? All of my little bags are from Ipsy, if you're wondering. Sorry, I don't know if they're available anywhere else, but like they've all got the little, they all say like Ipsy on them. They have the cutest bags. I'm using the ticket one for my toll bag because if you don't pay it, you'll get a ticket. My little joke that's not funny. Moving along. Next we have my wallet. I'm so proud of this thing. I love it so much. Me and my husband made it. And yeah, I just think it's really cute and pretty. And yes, it's got all my cards in there. Which this is the scrap. And I told him, I was like, I don't care if it's got Sharpie on it of whatever company. But yeah, I don't think there's anything important. Nope. But yeah, it's just got tons of pockets and stuff. And I like it because whenever I'm just running into the store, I throw in my keys and I throw in my phone, and then I have everything in this little clutch thing right here. Next, I have this velvet sunglass case that I got from Target. I love this thing so flipping much. It is so cute. And it is so velvet and adorable, and I love it. So I have this pair in here, and then I also have glass cleaner because on a normal day I am wearing my normal prescription glasses. So I always like to have one of these because if there's any spot on my glasses, I feel like I can't see anything. Yeah. So that's why I have one of those in there. And then I have this little pair in here too. I have to have my gum because with braces, my dentist told me that after I leave I should chew gum, and it just like helps your teeth move faster. So I always have gum with me now. Yeah, basically just like mints and gum. These are the little like coffee flavored, I don't even know, they're just like coffee flavored candies, and I'm addicted to them ever since like one Halloween. Someone gave out like little coffee flavored candy. I liked it. That was like my favorite candy. I was such a weird kid. Like out of all my Halloween candy, like I would trade Reese's and Snickers with my brother for his coffee candy. Like I don't know. I don't know either. That's probably why I'm addicted to iced coffee now. And another thing that I always have in there is my iPad. Sorry, I'm like opening the blinds a little bit more so that I can have a little bit more light. But yes, I like to have my iPad with me because, like I said, whenever I'm going to jobs with my husband and I'm just going to be sitting in the car while he goes in and does his thing, I like to mess around and draw and cartoon on Procreate, and I'll also like watch YouTube on here and stuff like that. So I like to have that with me. And then last but not least, I have some headphones and then an extra charger. I think that's the whole video. Wow, this was a very quick video for me. Usually I take forever to make these things. Sometimes if I'm wearing a lipstick that day and I'm gonna be like eating somewhere, then I'll take whatever lipstick I'm wearing with me so that I can like reapply after I eat or something. But that's also really rare. I'm not a person that like reapplies or like bathroom checks. Better go powder your nose. Like I'm not that type of person. To me, once I leave the house, if my makeup slowly dissipates throughout the day, that's just how it goes. Like, I don't know. I understand why people go to the bathroom and touch up. That's just never been me. I also have makeup wipes. I also have a little thing of makeup wipes, but I think they're in my car right now. So they're not in my purse because I just keep them in the car. But yeah, that is always nice to have. Well, anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like and leave a comment down below. Also, if there's anything that you want to see me do, I will do it. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter and add me on Snapchat. And while you are down there subscribing, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you'll get sent a notification every time I upload. Hopefully that works only some of the time. Should I do a tutorial on this? I love it so much. Talk to you later. Bye.